comes to dating and relationships, who is typically seen as the prize, the man or the woman?
Bitch. Yeah, the woman.
Okay.
Why are you the prize? Look at how proud she is on her face, bro. Look. Say some nonsense.
Okay, so if the woman is the prize, why even bother going out with a man in the first place?
I don't know.
Exactly, bro.
The woman.
So who's the prize in a lesbian relationship? Both of them?
Both of them. Yeah, oh God.
That's how we should all be. We should both be the prize.
Be the prize.
So then why aren't they both the prize in a heterosexual relationship?
Because
Men are trash.
I was about to say men are down here and women are up here.
See what I'm saying?
Okay, so are women equal to men or are women superior to men?
Women are superior.
For sure, superior.
All these bitches said I'm superior to men. I think I'm superior to women. I'm better than them. They're not worth my time. But when I say it, it's sexist. When they say it, it's empowering. So why don't we have the same logic?